Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M8 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here let's go to About Phone, which is at the very top of the screen, of the list actually. Now we have to localize this OS version for POCO, and now keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. If you've got the screen lock, you will have to enter to confirm the whole step, but no worries, it's normal. So just enter it and then go back to the general list of the settings. Here, let's scroll all the way down to find additional settings and scroll down to find developer options. Let's tap. So here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, you can enable the strict mode, you can show view updates. Here we've got some drawing options and the networking. We've got Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So basically, in order to turn on the feature, you have to simply tap on the switcher on it. So it works just like in the regular settings, and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them. Sorry, not here. Tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can quickly turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher here. As you can see, after getting back, the developer options will disappear from the settings, but of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the OS version step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.